Hi, it's Jeff Crampton with Keller Williams, and recently I've had several conversations with my friends and clients regarding some of the COVID-19 circumstances regarding real estate we are all dealing with. And a few frequently asked questions are about the banks making an allowance for homeowners not to make monthly mortgage payments. So I thought I would shoot a short video on the subject and address those questions. So let's start with a disclaimer. And that is, although I've done some homework on this issue and looked up some information on bank websites regarding the matter, you need to assume that I have not spoken to your bank regarding your specific circumstances. I was in fact trying to get general information, and I strongly recommend you continue to make your mortgage payment until you have spoken to your bank or mortgage servicing company directly and gotten something in writing from them stating their specific policy on the subject. Please do not get your information secondhand from a friend who knows somebody that has a neighbor whose daughter said she contacted her bank and whatever she got told also applies to you. No good can come from that kind of direction. So question 1, are banks allowing homeowners with mortgages not to make their monthly payments? Yes. Banks and probably other financial institutions are allowing homeowners not to make their monthly mortgage payments. But this does not mean that all banks or other financial institutions, like credit unions, are allowing this. So you need to check with whoever is servicing your mortgage. In other words, contact the company you send your monthly payment to and ask them directly what are your options and if you qualify to participate in their programs. Question 2, are these payments being forgiven or do they have to be caught up on and paid? I know of no banks or financial institutions that are forgiving a missed payment, meaning all payments will have to be made at some future point. So contact the company you send your payment to directly. Discuss what your options are and if you qualify to participate. And yes, I am going to include this statement with every answer. Question 3. How long are banks allowing payments not to be made? Or how many monthly payments can you miss? Well, each bank sets their own terms and policies on this. Some banks are saying 90 days, which would be 3 payments. Some are saying 90 days and then an evaluation would be done to see if it could be extended. Some banks are saying it could go to the end of the year. So contact the company you send your payment to and ask them directly what your options are and if you qualify to participate. Question 4, when do the payments have to be paid back? When your bank tells you they do. Some of these missed payments are being deferred until a later date. You could skip 3 payments and then when the 4th payment is due, you might have to make that payment plus the 3 you missed. Or you may have to make the 4th payment plus an agreed upon extra amount for a specific time until you are caught up. Or your bank may tack the missed payments onto your balance owing and extend the term of your loan. So, contact the company you send your payment to and ask them directly what your options are and if you qualify to participate. Question 5. Can I just stop making my monthly payment and then contact my bank to ask, what about my options? For the love of Pete, do not, under any circumstances, just stop making your monthly payment. Contact the company you send your payment to and ask them directly what your options are and if you qualify to participate. Question 6. Could not making my monthly payment adversely affect my credit? Yes, it could, as the bank may report your payment as late or not paid as agreed. But some banks may not report them as late, which would not affect your credit. So, contact the company you send your payment to and ask them directly what your options are and if you qualify to participate. Question 7. How do I qualify to skip making my monthly payments or participate in a bank program that would allow me to not make a monthly payment? Contact the company you send your payment to and ask them directly what your options are and if you qualify to participate. However, you will probably have to fill out some kind of application online which would be reviewed by your bank. The sooner you look into this, the better, as the banks have already gotten thousands of requests. Probably just since you've been watching this video, they've got thousands of requests. So I would urge you to find out what your options are sooner rather than later. Question 8. Can the bank change the terms of my current mortgage if I start making my monthly payments in one of their programs? Yes. Yes, the bank can change the terms of your current mortgage if you participate in their program, but not without you agreeing to them being changed. And changing terms can involve the length of the loan, the extra amount of a monthly payment to catch up on missed payments, or even changing the interest rate on the remaining balance, which would likely be detrimental. So contact the company you are sending your monthly payment to and ask them directly what your options are and if you qualify to participate. And make sure you fully understand and are comfortable with what the ramifications of any change in the terms would be. In closing, I hope this information has been helpful, and you should contact the company you send your monthly payment to and ask them directly what your options are and if you qualify to participate in any of their programs. Be safe, stay healthy, and if there's anything that I can do for you, please let me know.